Want to know the best superfoods for weight loss? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of superfoods, those nutrient-rich powerhouses that can give your weight loss journey a significant boost. Nutrient density is a key factor here, meaning these foods pack a lot of beneficial substances for their calorie count. We'll be revealing 5 superfoods that can be your allies in shedding those unwanted pounds. And the last stone is most powerful, and I use it. Stay tuned to uncover these powerful superfoods that can help you shed those unwanted pounds. First up on our list is the natural fat burner, the avocado. This creamy green superfood is packed with nutrients that can give your weight loss journey a significant boost. Avocados are rich in both dietary fiber and monounsaturated fats. Now, why does this matter? Well, dietary fiber aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full for longer periods, reducing the temptation for unnecessary snacking. On the other hand, monounsaturated fats, the good kind of fat, not only help lower bad cholesterol, but also keep you satiated. Moreover, avocados have a low glycemic index, meaning they won't spike your blood sugar levels, keeping those hunger pangs at bay. And did you know? Avocados are one of the few fruits that provide a considerable amount of protein, further promoting feelings of fullness. So, don't shy away from this fatty fruit. It might just be the weight loss ally you've been looking for. Next up, we have the tiny but mighty chia seeds. These minuscule powerhouses are brimming with health benefits. Let's unpack the wonders of these seeds a bit, shall we? Chia seeds are lauded for their high fiber content. In fact, just 2 tablespoons of these seeds contain almost half of your daily fiber needs. That's impressive, isn't it? But the magic doesn't stop there. Chia seeds are also rich in protein, which is a key nutrient in weight loss as it reduces hunger and increases feelings of fullness. Here's where it gets even more fascinating. These seeds have a unique property. They absorb water to form a gel-like substance. This expansion can help you feel full for longer, reducing your overall calorie intake. So, if you're seeking to shed some pounds, incorporating chia seeds into your diet could be a game changer. With chia seeds, a little goes a long way in your weight loss journey. Moving on, let's talk about berries and green tea, 2 potent antioxidants. Bursting with vibrant colors and irresistible flavors, berries are not merely a feast for your palate, but a powerhouse of essential nutrients. They're rich in fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full longer, contributing to weight loss. More importantly, they're packed with antioxidants, vital for combating free radicals and inflammation in your body. Now, imagine pairing that with a cup of green tea. This humble brew is revered globally for its medicinal properties. It is a treasure trove of antioxidants known as catechins. One of these, epigallocatechin galat, or simply EGCG, is especially noted for its potential to boost metabolism. A faster metabolism means your body is more efficient at burning calories, which can help tip the scales in favor of weight loss. But that's not all. Both berries and green tea have a low energy density. This means they provide fewer calories than the same weight of other higher calorie foods, so you can enjoy them without worrying about packing on the pounds. Incorporate these superfoods into your diet in simple ways. Enjoy a handful of berries as a snack, toss them into your morning cereal, or blend them into a smoothie. As for green tea, trade your regular cup of joe for it, or enjoy it as a refreshing iced beverage on a hot day. So make these antioxidant powerhouses a part of your daily diet for optimal weight loss. Last but not the least, let's talk about the protein-packed lentils. These humble legumes are a powerhouse of nutrition. High in both protein and fiber, lentils are a dual-action superfood. The protein helps build lean muscle, while the fiber keeps you feeling full and satisfied for longer, preventing overeating. Plus, lentils are incredibly versatile. Slip them into soups, salads, or even smoothies. Incorporate lentils into your meals for a protein boost that can help you lose weight. So, there you have it, 5 superfoods that can help you lose weight. We've explored the power of avocados, the magic of chia seeds, the double punch of berries and green tea, and the humble yet mighty lentils. Each of these nourishing foods provides unique benefits, all aiding in your weight loss journey. Why not start incorporating them into your meals today? Remember, the journey to weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. Incorporate these superfoods into your diet, and you'll be well on your way.